We just put a brand new engine, the new fresh coat of paint, everything's assembled back together. This is the application we're going to use to demonstrate how to dial in that idle mixture. Now that our jet ski is dipped in the water and under load, we want to take notice of our tachometer needle. Our RPM should be around 1500, but I can clearly see that it's hovering just above that, almost up to 1650, even 1700 RPMs. At this point, I'm unsure whether the gauge is off or if our RPMs are actually on point. So we're going to go ahead with our idle mixture test anyways. It's a really easy test. All you're going to do is blip the throttle to increase the engine speed, and you're going to see how long it takes that needle to return to idle speed. Ideally, your engine speed should return to idle almost immediately. If it takes more than 2 seconds or even longer, that means your idle mixture is lean. So this tells us that we need to turn out our idle screw. I'm going to turn it about 16 to an 8th turn again to make sure it's right around 1500. I may have to dial it down to 1450 to make sure that idle mixture is correct and that we have a smooth transition off of takeoff. We are now going to repeat the test again. It looks like our needle is returning to idle speed almost instantaneously. Now that we know our idle mixture is dialed in, we can now take it for a ride.